This lesson is Venn diagrams using board number 23 and or board number 24. We'll also use the blue pond markers and the dry erase markers and the cloth. What we're going to do is we're going to do the first example in the manual, and we're going to place 10 pawns on the board, and we're going to work with these to separate the actual data into the appropriate groups. So the problem says that there are 10 total students who take part in 2 different after-school programs. So Math Study Hall is the first program, and what we're going to do is we're going to label that down here, Math Study Hall. This is the label for the left circle. And in addition, there is band practice on Tuesday and Thursday, which will be the second group. 7 students attend Math Study Hall, while 6 attend band practice. So what we know is that 7 attend Math Study Hall and 6 attend band practice. So we write this number up here because it encompasses all of the students that are in Math Study Hall, but it also includes some of the students that are in band practice. Notice when you add 7 plus 6, you do not get 10. So we have to find out what portion of the students overlap in the middle in both sections. So it says of the 10 total students, 3 participate in both programs. So we know that the number 3 goes here. So to determine this actual value, we have 7 subtract 3 to give us 4, and 6 subtract 3 to give us 3. The total of all the values inside the 3 circles have to add to 10 because there are 10 students, so we have 4 plus 3 plus 3, and that does equal 10. And since all 10 students take part in at least one after-school program, none of the students fall outside of the circles, which would be the other category up here, and we know that the total from all groups must equal 10 since there are 10 students. This can also be done using the pawns. We can place 4 pawns in this group, 3 in this group, and 3 in this group. So to create Venn diagrams using this board, it would probably be easier to start off using the pawns and help students to visually separate them, and then move from the concrete to the abstract, where they just actually make the calculations. So you can begin the lesson with all the blanks, and then label them, and then have students separate the pawns into the appropriate group and then fill in the boxes. On the reverse side of board number 23 is board number 24, and you can use this board whenever you have 3 total groups, and you can see there are 3 circles, 1 representing each group, 3 spaces for the labels, 3 spaces for the total of each circle, the total for all groups along the bottom, and again the other box if any of the values fall outside of the 3 main categories. This is how you use boards number 23 and or number 24 to create Venn diagrams.